Technology increasing rapidly and become faster and more accurate. With all that in mind, let's take a look at how the latest fingerprint scanners works. So let's start our episode. Hi friends, this is Palam Srekshay and welcome to my channel. Fingerprint scanners are divided into three types: optical fingerprint scanner, capacitive fingerprint scanner, ultrasonic fingerprint scanners. Let's see how they work. Now let's talk about optical fingerprint scanners. Optical fingerprint scanners are the oldest method of capturing and comparing fingerprints. This technique depends on the capturing an optical image, essentially a photograph, and using algorithms to detect unique patterns on the surface such as ridges or unique marks by analyzing the lightest and darkest areas of the image. Let's talk about how they work. These scanners typically having very high number of diodes per inch to capture. When your finger is placed over the scanner, so optical scanners are incorporate arrays of LEDs as a flash to light up the features come scan time. Like this way, optical fingerprint scanners are work. Let's talk about capacitive fingerprint scanners. The most common font type of fingerprint scanners used today is capacitive fingerprint scanners. We will find this type of scanners inside the smartphones as it is most secure. Let's talk about how it works. Instead of creating an image of a fingerprint, capacitive fingerprint sensors use tiny capacitor circuits to collect the data about the fingerprint. As the capacitor can store the electrical charge, connecting them up to a conducting plate on the surface of a fingerprint scanner allows them to use it to track the details of the fingerprint. The charge stored in the capacitor will be changed slightly when a finger ridges is placed over the conducting plates, while an air gap will leave the charge at the capacitor relatively unchanged. Like this way, capacitive fingerprint scanners works. Let's talk about ultrasonic fingerprint scanners. The latest fingerprint scanning technology in the smartphone spacing is an ultrasonic scanners. Let's talk about how it works. To actually capture the details of the fingerprint, the hardware consisting of both ultrasonic transmitter and a receiver. An ultrasonic pulse is transmitted against the finger that is placed over the scanner. Some of this pulse is absorbed and some of it bounced back to the sensors, depending upon the ridges, ports and other details that are unique to each fingerprint. Like this way, ultrasonic fingerprint scanners works.